Hello, my fellow eggheads. This is Liz. I'm a certified technician, and today we're going to go over how to connect your AirPod Pros to your laptop computer. So first thing you're going to do is locate that round white button on the back of your AirPod Pro case. And then you're going to flip it over, and you are going to go ahead and open up the lid and hold down that white button until that green light changes from green, as you see in the video, to flashing white. You are now ready to pair. Now at this point, you're going to go onto your computer, and you're going to take your mouse and you're going to navigate to that bottom left Windows button, and when it pops up, you're going to click on that settings wheel as you see in the picture. Once you do that, it will open up to your settings. You're going to go to devices, add Bluetooth or other device, click on Bluetooth, and then it will find your AirPods. It might take a second, but eventually your AirPods will pop up. As you can see, AirPods Pro 10, I click on this and it starts connecting to them. And now I'm connected and ready to go. It's literally that simple. And keep in mind your AirPod Pro case is open during this whole process. But anyway, thanks for watching our video. Please show your support by liking, subscribing, using that super thanks button, visiting our Amazon store, or checking out our merchandise. And once again, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.